Good afternoon, everyone. Yesterday we have done the chapter 1, the chapter 2, uh, and today what you all have to do is the exercise of this chapter, the checkpoints. Here is the exercise. A is fill up, true, false, MCQ, and this D part where you have to write the breathing organ of these animal, and then F part, this E and the questions you have to do in the notebook. So today only you have to do the exercise. Okay, do the exercise in the book itself. Tomorrow I will send you the answers of these questions. Now let us move to the next chapter named Skeleton System. Skeleton system means collection of many bones together which are arranged in such a manner that they hold our body. Okay, so they contain many bones to hold the body. That's why the name is called skeleton system. But before learning the system in detail, let us learn about the bones. To feel the presence of bone in your body, if you touch the parts, some of part of your body like wrist, finger, an arm or skull or any part, you will feel some hard structure. That hard structure we call it as a bone. These bones are very important and doing very important function for the body. What are that function? These are written here. Bone provides shape and support to the body. It protects the organs of the body. Which organs? The internal organs. It helps us to move also. Okay? As I told you in the beginning, skeleton system consists of many bones. So the number is written here. We have means the adults have 206 bones in their body. All these bones are connected together to form the framework. This framework is called as skeleton. Okay? Now, what are the bones made up of? Bones made up of minerals. The name of that mineral is calcium phosphorus. There is one more substance present here we call it as a collagen. It's a kind of a tissue. Okay class? Now move to the skeleton system. The picture in front of you is showing the skeleton system. Skeleton system. The bone of the skeleton are organized. You all can see all the bones are organized into a skeleton system. This skeleton system has many functions. Let us learn them. Number 1. Because of the skeleton system, we are having a proper shape. If we do not have this skeleton, we don't have the shape. Just imagine a jelly. Jelly can't stand on its own because inside jelly there is nothing that keep it shape in proper way. Okay? So without skeleton, our body will like that only. It will be a shapeless heap of tissue because if there is no hard substance to keep it straight in a shape, how the shape will be there? It will be a shapeless heap of tissue. So very important function, skeleton system provide shape to the body. Okay class? Second important point. It protects the soft organ of the body. I told you earlier also, the internal organs are very soft which are protected by the skeleton system. Example, skull protect the brain. This is skull. It protects the brain. ribs. This is rib. These all are ribs, arranged like a cage. So together this is called as a rib cage. Okay class? So this is rib cage. Inside the rib cage, two organs are there. That two organs are heart and lungs. So second function is it protects the soft organ of the body. Now move to the third important function. Muscles are attached to the bones. Our whole body is attached by the muscles. Okay, our bones are covered by muscles. So because these muscles are covered on our bone, they worked with the bone. So muscles and bone work together. They work together to move the parts of the body. Suppose we want to move our hand, our muscles of the hand to move it in the way we want to be. In the same way, if we want to move, walk, run, anything, for that movement, our muscles help us. So we have learned the skeleton system help us to move, and this is possible because our muscles are attached to it. Now the next function, our bone in our skeleton system, it contains a bone marrow. Bone marrow. What is bone marrow? Bone marrow is a kind of spongy tissue or a fatty substance which is present in some bone. What are that bone? That bone are where the bone marrow is present. They are long bones. I will mark. That are long bone and flat bone. Now look carefully. These are our long bone. And this is our flat bone. Skull is also a flat bone. Okay, so here in some parts of the body, bone marrow is present. What the bone marrow do? Bone marrow form the cells. For example, blood cells. Blood cells are formed in the bone marrow. Next important function. Bone contain mineral like calcium and phosphorus. We all know that bones are made up of calcium and phosphorus. So this is all about the skeleton system function. I hope you all understand. Now move to the parts of skeleton system. A skeleton system consists of 5 parts. They are skull, vertebral column, rib cage, limbs, girdles. Now look at the page. Skull, let me show you. Skull, okay. Then this. These are limbs, हमारे हाथ और हमारे पैर. Then vertebral column. This is vertebral column. And then और क्या था? Rib cage. This is the rib cage. Okay class? Okay. So today we learn about the skull part only. The skull forms the head of the body. Okay, this one. It is made up of 22 bone. All you have to remember is it is made up of 22 bone. Out of that 14 bone are made up of only they are there in the face only. Class, you all will read till skull. Okay, this is all for today. I hope you all will read these 2 pages very carefully today and do the exercise part. Okay everyone, have a nice day.